good, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and I'm back at you with another video. And if you're new to the channel, my name's Cody and I have my 2013 5.0, but I also just recently added this Honda Grom 2023 to the channel, and that's what this video is going to be about today, is the Grom. So the first mod for the Grom is, let me show you guys, you'll see by the title, but it is the ASV. I got the all black shorty levers. I got the C5 Sport Series, the shorty ones. So I'm gonna install these. Super simple. Probably just gonna time lapse it. All you need is a 10mm, and there's just a bolt right here on both sides. So I'm gonna start with the brake lever, because I got both of them. I got the brake and the clutch, so I'm gonna do both of these. First mod on the bike. So I'm just gonna set you guys up and time lapse this process because it's super simple, and then once I get them on, I'll show you how they look. And I would take you for a ride, but I don't have a helmet set up yet. I gotta order the little mount for the helmet for the GoPro, and then a mic for inside the helmet. So if anything, I might just throw you on my head real quick with the head mount and then take it around the block, just right around my block real quick, and then, you know, we'll see though. I'm gonna get these installed, so I'm gonna throw you guys on a time lapse right now. And just like that, we got the clutch one installed. Decided to start with this one. As you can see, it's all black, dial, everything. Super easy. Just 10mm bolt, this, and then the cable, and just loosen the cable from inside here, and that's good to go. And man, so much better. So much better. Okay, both like that, they're just done. This one's done. Clutch, brake, and you can play with the adjustability on them. And when you put the brake on, make sure it clicks, because if it doesn't click, you ain't gonna have a brake. And what I did was just remove the two Phillips to loosen this, to push it up to get to this bolt better. And man, I really like these things. And make sure you got enough tension on your clutch to put it in neutral. So I'm gonna go get the key and test it out, make sure it goes into gear fine and all that, and then I will update you guys in a little bit. Alright you guys, I just tested it out, made sure the clutch and brake work, and they work perfectly fine. Brake lights up. When I roll it and push the brake, it still stops it, which is great. Clutch is perfect, goes into neutral, gears, everything fine. Like I said, probably later today when it cools down, because it's already like 92. It's already hot. I'll probably throw you guys on my head and take it around the block a couple times, just to like show you the difference in them. I mean, if you can see it through the video. I mean, you probably won't be able to, but yeah, for right now I'm gonna go inside and relax because it's freaking hot. But yeah, man, I love these levers. They're awesome. And I did go with the all black just to match the black accents. The black and red ones, the red is completely different from my bike. So yeah, the brake works, makes a clicking sound, and like I said, they're adjustable. So I'll play with the adjustability later when I ride it. But for now, they're sitting in the scene, or they Jesus, they sit in a good position. So yeah, everything is good on them. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit.
This is Music.
Alright, you guys, this is where I'm going to end the video, but I will say these ASV levers are definitely worth the money. You know, they're worth the $240-ish that they are. Yeah, $240 plus tax if you have to pay tax. So if you were wondering if they're worth the money, definitely are. They make the bike feel so much better just from that little upgrade that you can do. You know, next thing is going to be like the bars and all the lighting to get the fender eliminator and all that done. But I did order mic setup and stuff for my helmet, so I can talk to you guys while I'm riding and give you feedback on how I like mods that I do and actually ride, and tell you guys about it, not just after. And well, I did throw you on my head while I was riding, but I can't really talk because you're not going to hear me because of the wind noise, because I have no mic going into my helmet. But that's coming soon, so hopefully next video I'll be able to throw you guys up and talk to you while I'm riding, which will be awesome. But like I said, this is where I'm going to end it. So if you guys would like, comment, and subscribe, I would appreciate it so much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.